traffic method, getting beginners free Google traffic daily. The silent traffic method that turns one simple tool into thousands of free Google visitors every single month. No ads, no blogging, no social media, no technical skills. Just free traffic that builds itself while you sleep. Spots are limited. This training will not be replayed. Real results. Real people. Already happening. 102,000 free visitors in 1 month from a single tool page. Most people believe getting free traffic from Google requires months of blogging, years of SEO work, or a budget for paid ads. None of that is true anymore. In this live session, Tony Hayes pulls back the curtain on the exact method that got a single simple tool page over 100,000 free visitors in 1 month. No ads. No content. No ongoing work. Just a working interactive tool sitting on a page doing its job. This is not theory and it is not a pitch. It is a live demonstration of something that is already pulling traffic right now. Inside this free live session you will discover the exact reason a plain, boring sleep calculator is pulling in 1.7 million visitors a month and making $37,000 in passive income, and why you could have built the same thing with zero coding skills. Why Google is quietly burying blog posts and pushing interactive tools to the top of search results in almost every niche right now. The one type of page that keeps ranking on Google even when you completely ignore it, and how to build one in the same session you watch this training. How a night shift worker built a single tool on a Thursday evening and woke up to free Google traffic by Friday morning without touching it again. The 3-word pitch that gets local businesses to pay you monthly for a service they are already spending money on somewhere else. Why interactive tools attract free backlinks from other websites without you doing a single piece of outreach, and what that does to your traffic over time. The income path from AdSense to Ezoic to Mediavine and exactly when each upgrade happens, so you know what you are building toward before you build anything. How to find the searches in your niche where there is almost no competition yet and a useful tool would own the top result immediately. The number that changes everything. Why building 20 tools instead of one can turn a few hundred monthly visitors into tens of thousands without doing anything differently. A live demonstration of the actual software Tony built to automate the entire process, from finding the right tool idea all the way to publishing a working page ready for Google. How a stay-at-home mom with 40 minutes a day got her tool to page 1 of Google for 3 different search terms in 6 weeks on a site she had never promoted. Why the people making real money from Google in 2025 are not the ones writing the most content, they are the ones building the right kind of assets. Why most traffic strategies fail the moment you stop actively working on them and what to build instead. How one simple tool can bring in buyer intent traffic from Google for years after you publish it. The exact process Tony uses to find high-value tool ideas in any niche before building anything. How to turn that traffic into income even if you have no product, no list, and no audience. A real-time walkthrough of the Traffic Magnets platform so you can see exactly how fast this works. Case studies from real users who are pulling free traffic daily right now. An exclusive offer available only to people who show up live. Tony has spent decades inside traffic and SEO. Not reading about it. Not teaching theory. Actually building, testing, and scaling real systems that pull free organic traffic from Google across multiple niches. He is also a software developer who has built tools for practically every area of digital marketing. Traffic Magnets exists because Tony kept seeing the same gap. The traffic method worked, but most people could not execute it without a development team. This training is his answer to that gap. He is going to show you the method, the proof, and exactly how it works in real time. Spots are limited and this will be packed. This training runs once. There is no replay being offered. If you want to see this live, reserve your spot now before it fills. No cost. No catch. Just show up and see how it works.